Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete your Westpac application using your iPhone. If you no longer wish to continue using Westpac application and you're trying to delete the application from your system, then the process is quite easy. First of all, press and hold the Westpac application from your app drawer and look for an option that says Remove App. Tap on it and then tap on Delete twice, and that is how you will be able to delete your Westpac application from your mobile device. For Android users, you can go ahead and press hold the app and then tap on Uninstall to delete the application from your device. So that was how you can easily get rid of your Westpac application using your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.